when converting from moles to grams, we do the same thing as any other molar conversion or dimensional analysis problem. You start off with what you are given, 2.98 moles of sulfur dioxide. So you just write down what's given, 2.98 moles sulfur dioxide. And then we have to decide what conversion factor would be best to move on, to convert from moles to grams. Well, we have the conversion factor of 1 mole is equal to molar mass. So the molar mass of sulfur dioxide is 64.066. So we need to decide, are we going to have molar mass below or above, on top or bottom? What are we going to do? So right here we have moles. So if we're starting with moles, in the next step we need to have moles on bottom, and that would leave molar mass on top. So molar mass is 64.066. You can see that this checks out because I was able to cancel my units here, moles of sulfur dioxide, moles of sulfur dioxide, and then it's just a matter of multiplying. Since your molar mass is on top, we multiply. If it was on bottom, we would divide, but since it's on top, we're going to multiply. So 2.98 times 64.066, that's going to give us 190.91668. So this is what you end up with, but we actually need to round to 3 sig figs. So that instead would be 191 grams of SO2. So this is your answer right here. In the next problem, instead of converting from moles to grams, we're going to go from grams to moles. So 12.68 grams of magnesium fluoride. Just like before, we're going to start off with what's given, and that's 12.68 grams of magnesium fluoride. We have to decide, since we're going from grams to moles, our conversion factor is 1 mole is equal to the molar mass. Our molar mass is 62.3. Do we put the molar mass on top or bottom? Since we're given grams, molar mass goes on bottom. So very similar to the last problem. The only difference is now our molar mass is below. So 12.68 divided by 62.3, and that gives us 0.2035. We have 4 sig figs, so we would round to 5. So that's not right. It needs to be 0.2035, and that's going to be moles of magnesium fluoride. The reason it's moles, grams, it's going to cancel. So the only unit you have left is moles of magnesium fluoride, and that's what we have here, moles of magnesium fluoride.